Going to pay the bill and go to grocery. Come with me. Come with me. Yeah? I'm vlogging.
Yay! Can you hear me? Can they hear my excitement?
Probably not.
Not recording?
No, I am, but probably not over the cars.
Yay!
Come
Vlog!
on. We have an hour. That was a fun intro. Oh my god. I'm wearing falscaras for a different video. How do we feel? Because I feel like these suck. I'm gonna make an honest effort to try them a few times. I think I might even get a different style to try out.
Oh, that little bastard.
What?
Hey, tell me how far I can go back.
However far you want to go back. At least not back there.
Oh.
Do you have a dollar bill? You have no cash?
Nope.
Our water bill is $85.32 and I have $15 in cash. So I need to go to the bank, but I was hoping if he had a dollar bill I could just get 70 out. Oh wait, I have a giant thing of change. So I am on third video of the day.
Hey.
I'm attempting to finish this falscara business, the lash extensions.
Yeah. I mean, you're in it to win.
I struggled. The bond is all over my hands.
Oh, that's right.
I glued one of the extensions to my thumb for a minute. So, there's that. And then I tested out a new palette I got. So, and now we're, God bless it, and now we're vlogging. Let me situate you guys so you can see the beads. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, baby.
I don't even remember what video I mentioned it in because I'm on my third video of the day. But
One of them.
James got me a huge coffee cup. It's like the size of my head almost.
It's a big coffee cup.
It's amazing. I sent it to the bitches. By the way, the bitches is what everybody at work calls our little group of 5. Don't know why, but we have a group Snapchat and that's the name of it, the bitches. I sent it to the bitches and they were like, oh my god, he loves you. And I was like, I know. And then Ariel was like, you just need a portable coffee maker to take with you. I was like, oh my god, don't even tempt me. I'll figure it out. Okay, so we need to go to the bank, which handily there's one around our house. And then we need to go to the water office, which is across the street from the bank. And then, I don't even know. Where are we going after that?
I need food.
Yeah, but I already ate. Oh no, I forgot my grocery list. Wing it. Every time I say wing it,
We end up getting an extra $100 worth of stuff
yeah boy.
and forget everything on the list.
Yeah boy. Definitely. No, I do remember we need steak and chicken. Milk. You're out of K-cups.
Yeah.
Tylenol.
Uh-huh. Dish pods.
Dish pods, and we gotta get Ellie a... We have half the list because you sent it to me in a text.
Oh, that's right. So we need sour cream.
Ah, sour cream. And we need to get Ellie a Valentine's Day card.
Yes.
And I have your gift, but not your card. You didn't give me a card. Do you want a card?
No, I don't want a card.
You always keep your cards, though.
I know, but...
I don't have to go to the window. I can just go to the ATM.
That's right.
Oh, thank God. I'm gonna hit the speed bump of all speed bumps right now.
Could you imagine hitting that in the truck?
Bitch was going 5 miles an hour and still almost ricocheted out the window. Do I have my wallet out? I swear I just had it out.
I don't think you put... Oh.
I just flashed that, and I hope you guys don't like freeze frame that, find my address, and come and murder me. Once again, convinced I'm going to be on an episode of 2020 by the end of my lifetime. Clearly, it'd be the end of my life. I'd get murdered.
I'm actually sure that you'd be doing the murdering, but...
You know what? We took a poll at work last night out of the 5 of us who would be most likely to kill someone for real. Your girl won. Makes me feel a little bit better. We also determined that I'm overly protective of everyone, which is so true. I'll cut a bitch in like 5 seconds. Oh yeah, let me see your new ID. Aww, look how cute you are.
I have big ears in my picture.
You really do. I didn't want to mention it. I'm happy you brought it up. Oh.
So,
Un momento.
it's a 10-second surprise that you'll see when you get here. You probably won't even notice it's there till you're editing. Love you, baby. I love you.
I love you. We left. Where did I stop vlogging? I stopped vlogging when we were at the bank. Okay, well, we went and paid the water bill. That was fun. Got a receipt. And then we went to Walmart. I am actually impressed because last year, that is not a stop sign. Anyway, last year we would always go to Kroger, and at first I thought that was saving us a lot of money because, you know, Kroger's not a superstore, it's just a grocery store. And, you know, I couldn't get myself in trouble and, like, go crazy. And, you know, when I go to Walmart, they have, like, planner stuff and stationery, and they have makeup that's not $30 for a damn bottle of Revlon foundation. And, you know, like, they have other stuff. Walmart has a ton of stuff. They have clothes and everything else. And I'm cheap, so I love Walmart. But the past, like, what, month or so? 2 months?
Yeah.
Probably. We've been only going to Walmart, and it's been working out fantastically because really the only things that we spent $130 and $133 or something.
Yes.
But really the only thing we got that wasn't like groceries, we got a candle. And James got a second Keurig reusable cup thingy, Mabop filter thing. That's really it, isn't it?
Oh, what? You got a makeup brush?
Yeah, I got an elf brush on clearance for $1.50. What do you want? Clearly we're at McDonald's right now because if I don't feed James soon, he's going to start gnawing at his leg.
Yeah.
So we're getting some food. But really, the only thing we didn't get, like, that we got that wasn't food at Walmart was, like, a $1.50 brush, a Keurig thing, and we got a $5 candle. So I'm impressed with us. We got lots of stuff, and we didn't really get a ton of, like, super unhealthy stuff. Because sometimes when we go to the grocery store, especially together, we end up with a ton of cookies and chips and all that. We never get soda, though. We haven't bought soda to keep at home in, like, 4 years.
It's been a while.
It's been a long time. He just got a Dr. Pepper. I got coffee. We got some more K-Cups to try from a different brand, and it's macadamia cookie, which sounds marvelous. I need to tone my hair so bad. It doesn't look horrible though, does it?
It looks good.
So we're gonna get this food, have some road nuggets, and we're gonna go get my kid. Get the Ellie Belly. Yep.
I miss her so much.
Word.
I feel like I haven't seen her in forever.
Yeah, between me working and her being gone from like 5 o'clock in the morning until like 4:30, 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
Hello, do you have the 20-piece and the macchiato on your order? Which was $18.29.
But between that and me having class, and Ellie goes to bed at 9 o'clock at night, so when she gets home at 5, she's up for like 4 hours at home. We really miss our kid. Look at these. I got a McChicken with ketchup and cheese only. It is shockingly delicious because I don't really like mayo and I really don't like shredded lettuce on anything hot. I will catch up with you guys probably at my mom's house, maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Oops. Always steal a nugget. It's my payment for taking him to get food.
Is that Mama and Daddy? Is that Mama and Daddy?
Hi, Elby.
Hi. Say hi, Mama. Hi, Daddy. Yep, dog. Dog.
Dog, yeah.
Come here. Come here. Daddy.
Hi. Sorry, you can hear Mickey Mouse Clubhouse in the background. We got some dish pods, paper plates, some ranch dressing. Ellie got some puffs. I got 2 gallons of 2%, 1 of whole milk, sour cream, cheese slices, some bologna, and some rotisserie seasoned chicken breast. We're gonna work that out. And I got 2 of these. Natural Choice pepperoni pizza. It's pepperoni and mozzarella cheese wrapped in flatbread. It looks ridiculous, but it was $1.50 and I thought I'd try them. We got some waffles. We're some waffle eating fools. James wanted summer sausage, so there's that. Pay no mind to how gross my house is. I'm about to clean. We got some boneless pork chops, some steak pieces, chicken tenderloins, and then we got 2 pounds of ground beef chuck, some cheese. These are the next Keurig K-Cups we're gonna try. They're macadamia cookie by Gloria Jean's Coffees. Don't know, sounded fun. Ellie got some berry bites. Instead of just being fruit, like yogurt fruit, it's freeze-dried fruit and veggies. We got 2 things of these white cheddar crunchy Cheeto things. They're like baby Cheetos. She loves these. James got another reusable K-Cup. Some sugar. I love these bars. Super good. And then, God help me, light ash blonde. So, I'm gonna put all this up, and then I'm probably gonna pick this vlog up in the morning because I'm about to start filming a cleaning video. Hi, Ellie. Because my house is a wreck. So I'll probably see you in the morning. Okay. Okay, so good morning. As you can see behind me, it's already 11 o'clock. I might have totally forgotten I was supposed to finish out my vlog this morning. I actually slept in today until like 6 o'clock. I got up, did my workout, hence I'm still in my sports bra. Better lighting somewhere? Yeah. So I got up, I did my workout. I edited a lot. I'm actually, wherever it is, I'm uploading it all right now. But I did all that. Ellie and James got up at 9. I made breakfast. We cleaned the house like crazy yesterday. So, I'm starting my last load of laundry. I need to reload the dishwasher and take a shower because I have to go to work at 2. So, yeah, now I gotta work all this out. It's Saturday, so I work second shift today. I need to do that. I need to get my water together, my coffee, pack my bag, make sure Ellie's ready. It's gonna be a whole damn thing. So, because I suck and I maybe totally forgot I was vlogging, I'm gonna get off of here. Totally sorry once again, but I hope you guys like the vlog. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you did. Doing a giveaway after like another 50 subscribers or so. That'll be fun, and yeah, I will see you all in my next one. So sorry. So sorry. I'm terrible at this.